I feel like right now that hashtag all the people are jumping on YouTube. People like Pat Flynn and Russell Brunson are bringing their entrepreneurial advice to YouTube and killing it on the platform. And what I want to tell you today is how YouTube can help skyrocket your business. Even if you don't have a big audience already like Pat and Russell do, even if you're just starting out, YouTube can and will help your business. And that's what I'm bringing at you right now. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, because it would be really weird for me to be teaching you YouTube things on some other platform. Just saying. Now, if you're new here, I am Jessica Stansberry, and I feel like you probably knew that since the name of my channel is Jessica Stansberry, but you never know what people are catching on to. I am a video and YouTube marketing strategist for entrepreneurs who are ready to use video and YouTube to skyrocket their business so they can make more money and have a bigger email list and do all of those awesome things. And if that's you, if you're an entrepreneur that falls into that category, I'd love for you to hit subscribe so you don't miss anything else that I come out with 3 times a week. Now, like I mentioned, I feel like people are getting the message. They are getting the message. You should be on YouTube for your business. You should be using YouTube for your business. You should be using YouTube for your business. They are hearing it. The subliminal messages are going through. They are picking it up. But what I want to tell you today is why YouTube can help you skyrocket your business, whether you have a small list, a big list, a giant audience, a tiny audience, a non-existent audience. It doesn't matter. And YouTube can help you grow that audience if you don't already have one, or grow an even bigger audience if you already do. So that's kind of what we're talking about today. Let's just get into it. The first way that YouTube can help your business skyrocket is because YouTube can help you dominate in search engine rankings. So I know I've said this 100 times, but just in case this is your first time watching me, YouTube is owned by Google. Google owns YouTube. Got it? Got it? Yes? Okay, awesome. So because of this fact, because of the fact that Google owns YouTube videos, 1, can be found in Google search results. 2, can help you increase the velocity at which your blog posts can get found in Google search results, because Google loves that YouTube videos are embedded in blog posts. It's a thing. So SEO is a huge factor for why you should be on YouTube right now for your business. It is probably one of the biggest factors. You want to hold the real estate for the search terms that people are searching for that you can help them with your paid products or services. So SEO is the way to go. YouTube will help you do it. All right, another way that YouTube can help skyrocket your business is that it can be a measure of social proof for people to see that you're legit. I have way more subscribers on my YouTube channel than I do on my Instagram, on my Facebook, in my Facebook group, all the things. If I had just sat back and said, nah, I'm not going to do YouTube, it'll take me too long to grow a following. 1, I wouldn't be at the point I am at right now. And 2, I wouldn't have the social proof that says, look, this girl's legit. She's got several thousand followers on YouTube, and not everybody does that, right? So it can help add to your social proof. And it's one of those platforms that is so untouched and untapped into right now that I honestly think it's easy to grow on YouTube. All right, so that rocket that we've been talking about, that skyrocketing thing, it can help you bust through the know, like, and trust factor super quick with your audience. So YouTube is video-based. Videos help people get to know you way quicker. They get to see your mannerisms, and they get to hear your voice, and they get to see that you make mistakes every once in a while. They get to see all of this stuff through a video. And by putting videos on YouTube, you are helping people get to know you quicker. They feel like a friend. They feel like someone that they feel like you are someone that they could come back to and talk to, and they know you. They feel like they know you because they watch you. So because of the fact that we need to break people through the know, like, and trust factor to get them to purchase from us, any way we can make it quicker is always a good thing. And YouTube is one of those ways. All right, and the last way I want to talk about that YouTube can help you skyrocket your biz is by growing your email list. Remember a minute ago when I said I had more subscribers on YouTube than I do on Instagram or Facebook or in my Facebook group or whatever? Guess what? That also means that I'm getting more people to my email list through YouTube than any other platform. I write blog posts that go along with my YouTube every single week and every single video. There's a blog post that accompanies it, but the majority of people are signing up to my email list through my YouTube videos. So it can help you grow an email list if you're struggling with that, or if you just want to grow it in all the ways that is possible to grow because you know the money is in the list. YouTube can be where it's at. All right, so those are 4 ways that YouTube can help you skyrocket your business. If you are hesitant to get on YouTube, if you're like, I know it can help me, but insert problem here, right? If you are hesitant, let me know in the comments. I want to help talk you through this because I know the struggles. I know I don't like myself on camera. I know oh my gosh, it takes me 10 years to film a 2-minute video. I know all of these struggles because I've been there, done that, and I want to help you through them. So hit me up in a comment below. Make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss any other videos with moi, and I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.